I had a wonderful internship selection process this summer. I wanted to see what students were bringing to the table, and I wanted them to plug in based on who they are with the goals that I needed to achieve.
I thought that the interview process was better than other interviews that I have experienced because it focused more on the person.
They focused on my future as an intern rather on my past and what I had accomplished before that.
Past job experiences such as babysitting don't really tell what you're willing to bring to the table and what you're willing to learn.
I liked how they accessed who I was, not what I had done, so that they could figure out how I can use my skills and my motivators and my personality to help the company.
Because the students should be able to come to you knowing who they are and be able to express their strengths and their skills and plug themselves in to places where you recognize you need help within your company.
Written communication is one of my top 5 skills on my Indigo report, and that really came through in this internship because I had to make the website. I had to write everything on the website, and I had to figure out how to word it, and that really came through.
Using my Indigo skills, my diplomacy skills have come in handy and will come in handy when dealing with students and teachers, when explaining and teaching them how to use Indigo to better themselves.
Being a bridge really helps me be able to work with every type of personality and not just focus more on the ones that are open to Indigo.
Working with Indigo as an intern has helped me become more confident, have more understanding of myself and my strengths, so it's helped me decide what colleges I want to go to, what I want to do with my life, and it's helped me further my life in a very positive way, and as should every other student that uses it.